Welcome to Moonfog Garage, and today we have this Datsun 240Z that needs the dashboard restored. This dashboard was full of cracks and we left it just like this. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good, looks almost new. Well, I would say like new. And I want to show you guys the process on how to restore any dashboard that has cracks. As you can see, this is how it used to be, full of cracks. And I just want to show you guys what my process is to restore one of these dashes. Here you can see me making the cracks deeper, because what we're going to be putting on needs to have an area to grip on. So this is what type of tool I'm using, and this is how we left it. We made all those cracks deeper and wider, so the product that we're going to be using, which is this expanding foam, can grab on. And as you can see, I went pretty heavy on it. It's great stuff, the product that I use on, stuff that you can buy at a Home Depot. And after you do that, you just slide the extra stuff that it's on it. Before I did all this, I sanded it with 80 grit, so everything that goes around it can grab to the plastic of the dashboard. Also, we sand it down to make it flush with the, or level with the rest of the dash, using 36 grit. Once we leave it like this, we're gonna give it a nice wipe with acetone, and we're gonna be using fiberglass filler, and some fiberglass on it, doing kind of like a sandwich. So in case there's more cracks coming on, the fiberglass that we put on will kind of like break it down and not let it go through. So you can see here it's just fiberglass on it, and then we sand that down to give it a little bit more of a smooth surface. But we're gonna go over with a regular bundle to level up everything, and we're gonna sand it with 80 grit. 80 grit, it's the grit that you want on it, and then you primer it. And right here I'm using the primer with low PSI so I can create that texture, so we can just apply some of the paint and give us all this texture. I use bed liner stuff on it, just like a spray can of bed liner. Also, that product has some texture to it, and as you can see, it was pretty easy, quick, in the sense of spraying the bed liner on it. Here you can see the car being on the road with the new dash, or the restored dash. You can see it looks pretty OEM. And this is the process that you can use in any dashboard that has cracks. So that was quick, and I hope you find this video well. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more tips on how to restore these vintage old cars, please subscribe. And I want to see you guys on the next one, okay? So don't forget, comment, give us any advices. If we did anything wrong, just let us know. All right, guys? So this is Moonfog Garage, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye. And check out the video of this 240Z in my channel of the restoration, and I'll see you guys. Bye.